Oh yeah, my shot. Oh my eye! This is the 1st December I'll be spending with my friends. I don't know how to feel about it. It reminds me of my first Christmas in the UK that I spent alone. I mean, if I'm being fair, today's not really Christmas Day. Today's 23rd of Christmas. The plan is we all cook for each other. I got my stuff downstairs. I'm gonna show you guys. I got my fish. Eat the fish unfrozen. Maybe I'm just gonna chuck it in the oven. I'm gonna try make the sauce for the catfish. I think that's like the most sensible thing to do because it's 12 o'clock and I have to be there for 4. This is Jessica. This is Joe. Oh, let me bring Uji for you. This is Uji. Isn't he so cute? Mind you, Evie is still frozen. I'm sure everybody knows by now that you cut the body of the fish so you can put the sauce and the spices in between. I'm making about 6 grilled fish because my friend's coming with his girlfriend. We were gonna do like a close friend group, and that's what we're still doing. It's just that my friend has a girlfriend. For him, it's just like, come with your girlfriend because that's fine. Make sense? Yeah, makes sense. Let me tell you guys my plan. I'm gonna make the grilled fish. I'm making a salad and I'm making dirty fries. Then I'm making a dessert. I am heavily lactose intolerant. Friend's calling me. Hi, Jessica. Guys, my friend brought gossip, so I'll be right back. Because I went out to go do shopping for some stuff. You guys should just make the time 5 o'clock. Bye. It's only the grilled fish that's gonna really take my time. I want to get that out of the way. I put the fish in there just to like cook a little bit. Then I'm gonna put this to cook as like the finishing sauce. Oh guys, you're still there. Damn, I'm never gonna agree to make catfish again. Look at the catfish. Look, God, the worst has happened. But look at my Christmas nails. Why are they yellow? I literally wore gloves. I know it's Boston. It's 3:19 and I have to be there for 4 o'clock. Dirty chips. I don't have time. I want to do my makeup. I want to look really nice. I don't know when me and my friends are going to have time to celebrate Christmas together as just us again. I'm going to have my makeup done. So I'm just going to moisturize my face. Citrus Remedy. I got this from Nigeria. I'm going to do a very light makeup today. I'm so happy. Jessica convinced me to do my lashes yesterday. Dr. Till, my holy grail. It's so moisturizing. Time to put my foundation. Ooh, not a lot of it. I knew someone was, I was waiting. I was like, how come nobody's cold? How far? I do. Are you ready? 4:45. Okay, that's fine. Not me rushing saying, oh my God, I have to keep the time. Bye. Guys. I'm not even surprised that Joe is like, oh, I'm going to be there for 4:30. Because as long as Joseph is involved, we definitely not starting on time. I don't believe in African time. He said the time is 12, so let's be there for 12. This is one of my go-to. You see it? Can you see this bad boy? But we all agreed to dress up because we want to take group pictures. We met 5 years ago. Do you just like ever have friends and you hope that your friends see you the way that you see them? Because the trauma, the good times, we've literally been there through every single time. So I want to take pictures, family pictures. And like pictures for me and videos is more like, yo, I need to show my kids. Growing up, my mom took loads of pictures. At every year of my life, I had a picture. If my mom had the chance, I probably would have had pictures from when I was in the womb. Check out the contour. Before I was interrupted by the blinding contour. Can't find my actual powder, so I'm gonna use this contour powder thing. Maybe I like to improvise. You're gonna make me slim. Sleep. I got your phone. I got your phone. Take a look at how blended and lovely my face is. That's all I wanted to show you. I'll see you soon, Pookie. Guys, I'm ready. If you love me, then put me in Chanel. Put me in Chanel. Put me in Chanel. Put my earrings on. No, we don't. Yo, the only miserable thing that's happened to me today, my nails. Look, they're still yellow. I don't have a neck piece on. Forgot to spray. Ah, my eye! Who's that girl? Who's that girl? It's Soti. It should work. Oh, I'm gonna do my hair now. I need to show you my full outfit. I have a lot to carry, so bless you. I'm taking you to the house, so we're gonna see everybody there when we get there. I made it to the house. This is Uji. This is EB. EB came all the way from London because he left us and went to stay in London. Sticker, wear it down. Hi, this is Jessica. You're supposed to be excited like me.
Oh, sorry. Hi.
Let me show you guys what we've made. The food looks so amazing. Everybody's done so well. The only person's food that's not here is Joe. So this is catfish. I made catfish, salad, dirty fries, meat pie, jerk chicken, fried rice, and cake. Yeah, Uji made this, like, I'll call it desi stew. It's a filthy stew. I have to take this home. I'm sorry. Uj AB as usual because he a bad nigga. he brought the drinks. Uji's gonna be doing like cocktails. Yeah.
Mixing up for my friends. First time ever. You guys stay tuned. We're gonna have baby Guinness and Uji martini. Uji special pink martini.
Uji made some shot, but it has dairy in it. I had my dairy peel so I could take it. Everybody says it's nice. I've not had it, so I'm gonna have it and tell you guys what it's absolutely like.
In case you're interested in trying some one day, if you go out, ask the bartender to make a baby Guinness.
Oh, for real? It's called baby Guinness.
Because it's dark at the bottom and white at the top. That's why I like my new.
Yo, what?
I don't think Nigerians were trying to like make it.
Let's remember, this is how he likes his knee.
I like my knee now. This is what you got near me.
I have like a little problem. You know the ice cream that I said I was struggling to make? I made it. Then I forgot it. We got the ice cream. It's in the freezer now. But I want to say something. Remember when I was getting ready and I said that somebody was going to be late? Who did I say? Joe. It is, what's the time? 5:50. 5:50. Joseph is not here. Now we're hungry. We called this nigga. This nigga said, oh, he was eating. Joseph, just come. I beg, please. I don't want it. Where on earth is the... Oh, yeah. My shot. Ooh, this is so good. This is so good. This is so... Oh, no. Why am I putting it back?
Hi, guys. So, out here with Soti and the gang.
Yeah.
I'm having our friend now. This is our 5-year reunion.
Like 5 years of friendship.
5 years of we've done anything for 5 years. Have you have 5-year-old
Do you have... We forgot to show you. You know the guy that we're talking about that's always late? This is him. And he came and refused to apologize. He's a toxic one in the friendship. Yeah. 5 years, we don't know how we're managing him, but God is helping us, isn't it?
Because he's light skin, that's why.
Okay, hi, I'm Soti Pepple. I'm a poet, lifestyle and fashion content creator. Can't remember, I do a lot of things.
My name is Uji Desmond. I'm a filmmaker, photographer, doctor, engineer, footballer, artist, fashion, stylist. Peace, my G's.
The architectural award-winning.
Come on!
I don't know.
Yes, I have.
I'm sorry.
Finally, guys, he apologized. Oh my god.
This is a miracle.
It's Uji, and I brought the beef stew as suggested by Joseph.
Oh, that's soup.
Swear I say don't suggest this beef stew. Yeah, leave that ice cream, bring it back here. I'm also the bartender for night. I'm going to be mixing them some baby Guinnesses and Uji, pink Uji martini. No one can make this in the world, just Uji.
Hi guys, my name is Ibi. The one that brought the drinks. Hopefully, at the end of the day, everyone's gonna be wasted.
Yes, my name is Jessica, and today I brought the fried rice, the meat pie, the jack chicken, cake, and some more rice. We got sponge cake. That's what I'm looking forward to. I want to try. Yeah.
Guys, Joe, I brought milk chocolate chip Oreo banana bread, Rasta pasta with an Italian touch, and a little bit of Delta Igbo, sprinkled with bread. Then peppered turkey that's meant to be big, but yeah.
Ooh.
You already know I'm Soti, and I brought the grilled catfish. I would call it dirty salad at this point. I brought the dirty salad, and I brought the dirty chips. And because over here, because I thought I was running late, I didn't put the meat chunks I was supposed to put on the thing. If I knew Joseph was gonna come at 8 p.m. If I knew Joseph was gonna come at 8 p.m. I would have.
See, what's time?
Are you proud?
Remove this.
Are you proud?
I'm proud.
We're supposed to come by 4. We're so happy to be here. We've never celebrated Christmas together as friends, and this means a lot to me. I don't know about the boys because they like to do hand guy. Look at all their faces. They like to be hand guys, but we're so excited. Yo, we're taking pictures. I'm hungry. I'm gonna manage my hunger. We just do multiple so that we know that when we're done, we're done. In the future, we'll not be snacking with our children and our wives and oh shit. So guys, we're not still eating yet. We're still taking pictures. I promise I'm not the one that suggested we should take more.
Hi, Sotis people. We're taking pictures to remember this day and remember our friendship. We will look back on this one day and laugh. Like, remember that time when Joseph came late 3 hours and almost starved to death? That one day, that's Joseph. Let's come out. Say something, let's come out.
I'm the latest in the video. Eat plantain and be happy in life because plantain is the only thing that will give you joy. Woman will give you joy sometimes, but plantain, pray to God.
You can't hide from the world with content creator friends, so you just have to accept them as they are.
My message is love and support.
Who brought this guy?
It's giving somebody's daddy.
Support for what?
Fixed my plate. I'm having fried rice plus salad, 2 turkeys. I'm not really a chicken fan, and I'm gonna eat this and eat every other thing. Gonna have the creamy pasta now with the jerk chicken, so yeah. This is my 3rd plate. Dirty chips with cheese and everything. This is the 5th thing I'm eating. Same rice, but this is uji stew. Beef and chicken and shredded inside. Like, a gym bro would die for this.
I will get gym bro.
This is my new baker. This is my new baker, guys. What?
Yeah, they ask you questions. Look
What is it?
your drink.
Y'all, the drink is ready.
Need a pink.
My belly's tight. Weight lost in the bed. January, back to the gym. Locking in. This drink is so strong. I sipped, and now I'm speeding. Guys, help! Help me!
You don't see, that's where you came from. Let's go around, man. Go around. Trust the process.
Everybody's hustling for their drinks to be sloppy.
What guys?
When I was younger, it said that you don't have to click your glasses. You don't have to click your glasses. I'm having dessert. They're watching a comedy show.
From my hometown, plunge 20%.
This is probably gonna be my last play. Update. I've changed. My shorts became so tight. We're actually about to do games night, and the first game is impost. I don't know why these people are interrupting me. Whatever is your. Ooh.
I'm about to go into your food. Oh my god.
Yeah, Joe.
Is this not AI?
Yeah, okay. This is AG.
And this was me first.
Ready?
Imposter. Like, how you guys?
That's the reason now.
Like.
Wait.
When I say this word, you understand it? Tools.
Bro,
Electricity.
Range.
what if you feel like you know what it says? But come down there and front. Just concern about
Baby, what you want to say?
Tools.
You want to say?
Bro.
I mean, person died.
You should vote now.
Are you ready to vote now?
Hey, let's go again.
Let's do it again.
Useful.
It's part of two. Sharp screwdriver. Copy.
Screen. View.
Listen.
Me, chainsaw.
Chainsaw. Can we vote?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
Let's
I
vote.
like to vote.
Can we vote?
Yes.
Yeah, I vote Soti.
I vote Soti too.
I vote Soti.
Screen from where?
Electricity. Really?
The imposter was Iggy.
Damn.
I said that. Wow, stuff. Soti care. Even when we're playing the other game, you might vote me. Vote, guys.
Are you ready?
Can we vote, guys?
I just want to say, we've had the time of our lives. I've enjoyed spending every single time with these lots, these guys over here.
Yeah,
And I'm gonna have to end the video now because you never know what's gonna happen after 12. Okay? Make sure you like, share, and you leave a comment. One day I will get sponsored by a brand and I'll post them out of love sponsorship.
happy in this life. Life is too short to be sad. You guys have fun. Enjoy your friends. Enjoy your life to the fullest. Peace out, my people.